Temaribet, Lamchi, Temaribet, Lanta.
Do you know why some bacteria are very easy to killing with antibiotics, and some bacteria are very dangerous? They cannot be killed in antibiotics. So we will answer these questions in this lesson. So this is behind the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. So what's the difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria? This is based on the cell wall structure of the bacteria. So the bacterial cell wall consists of the peptidoglycan and the outer membrane or periplasmic spaces. So based on this structural difference, we classify gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. So አንዳንድ ባክቴሪያዎች በቀላሉ በአንቲባዮቲክስ መሞት ይችላሉ በፔንሲሊን አንዳንድ ባክቴሪያዎች ደግሞ በጣም ሬዚስታንት ናቸው ማለት ነው ሶ ለምንድነው አንዳንዶቹ ቶሎ የሚሞቱት አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ በጣም አስቸጋሪ የሆኑት ይሄ በሴል ወላቸው ስትራክቸር አማካኝነት ነው የአንዳንድ ባክቴሪያዎች ሴል ወል በጣም ጠንካራ ነው አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ በቀላሉ ዳሜጅ መሆን የሚችል ነው so what is gram staining You know, the gram staining is developed by Hans Christian Gram, who is a person that developed gram staining techniques. So let's see the gram staining. The first stage in gram staining is the primary stain. In primary stain, we add these crystal violet. So this is added in the sample of the bacteria. So before adding the crystal violets, we have to fix the bacteria in the slide of the microscope. So the fixation is the initial stage of the gram staining, fixing the bacteria on the slide. So to hold the bacterial sample in a slide, we apply a heat fixation process that's making the stable sample on a slide because the bacteria cannot be washed off with different chemicals. So after fixing the bacteria, we add a crystal violet. Crystal violet is a purple stain. It's a purple. So finally, this is used to identifying the bacteria whether it is gram-negative or gram-positive. Okay, so in the primary stain is crystal violet. So adding here, the crystal violet is added. Crystal violet. We start the process by adding crystal violet. And the next is adding the iodine solution. The iodine, this is mordant iodine. The mordant is made up of the Christian gram we developed for this technique. Mordant የሚባል iodine ነው እዚጋ ስፔሻል iodine ነው የምንጠቀመው በክርስቲያን ግራም የተዘጋጀ ነው ለዚህ ፕሮሰስ ማለት ነው ሶ ለምንድነው አዮዲን የምንጨምረው በግራም ስቴኒንግ ፕሮሰስ ኢንሶሉብል ኮምፕሌክስ እንዲፈጠር እንፈልጋለን በኋላ ሶስተኛው ስቴጅ ላይ ኢታኖል ስለምንጨምር ስላይዱን በኢታኖል ስናጥበው ኢንሶሉብል ኮምፕሌክሱ ተጠርጎ እንዳይሄድ ሞር ሃርድ የሆነ ኮምፕሌክስ እንዲፈጠር ስለምንፈልግ iodine solution እንጨምራለን So the iodine solution is added. This is help to making much harder complex. So after adding the iodine, there is a complex is formed that we call crystal violet complex. That is in a final stage. This is trapped by the peptidoglycan. So iodine ሁለተኛው ስቴጅ ላይ እንጨምራለን ማለት ነው ሶስተኛው የግራም ስቴኒንግ ቴክኒክ ስቴጅ ምንድነው የሚባለው decolorization so decolorization in this stage we add ethanol or acetone so this is important stage because here we can check the bacteria, the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Actually, it's not the final stage. Look, ethanol ከጨመርንበት በኋላ በኢታኖል ስላይዱ ላይ ኢታኖል እንጨምራለን ማለት ነው እናጥበዋለን በኢታኖል so ይሄ decolorization stage ይባላል ሶ በዚህ ሰዓት የሁለቱ ግራም ኔጌቲቭ እና ግራም ፖዚቲቭ የሚያሳዩት የተለያየ አይነት ከለር ይኖራል ማለት ነው። ሶ ግራም in this stage the gram positive bacteria they retain the purple color. gram positive bacteria they retain purple color or they retain crystal violet. And the gram negative bacteria they lose crystal violet. So why this happen? gram positiveዎች ፐርፕል ከለር ሆኖ ይቀራሉ ማለት ነው። ለምንድን ነው ፐርፕል የሚሆኑት? ግራም ፖዚቲቭ ባክቴሪያዎች ቲክ የሆነ ፔፕቲዶግላይካን ስላላቸው ነው። they have a thicker ፔፕቲዶግላይካን። ሶ ፔፕቲዶግላይካኖች በጣም ቲከር ስለሆነ በቀላሉ ውስጣቸው የተሰራው ክሪስታል ቫዮሌት ኮምፕሌክስ ኢንሶሉብል ኮምፕሌክሱ አይጠፋም ወይም ተጠርጎ አይወጣም ማለት ነው። the thickest peptidoglycan helps the insoluble complex cannot be washed off. So for this reason they retain the purple color. purple ሆኖ ይቀራሉ። አንደኛው መለያችን ይሄ ነው። The other is gram negative bacteria loses crystal violet. Why? Because the gram negative bacteria have a thin peptidoglycan. Their peptidoglycan is thin. Actually, they have the outer membrane, and the outer membrane is dissolved by the ethanol. And they have thin peptidoglycan. So they cannot trap the insoluble complexes. So በቀላሉ ከውስጣቸው የክሪስታል ቫዮሌት ኮምፕሌክሱ ተጠርጎ ይወጣል። በዚህ ምክንያት ፐርፕል አይሆኑም ማለት ነው። ክሪስታል ቫዮሌት ሉዝ ያደርጋሉ። ኦኬ ሶ ይህንን በቀላሉ ምን ይዘው ግራም ፖዚቲቮች ክሪስታል ቫዮሌት ሪቴን ያደርጋሉ፣ ግራም ኔጌቲቭ ደግሞ ሉዝ ያደርጋሉ። ሌላኛው ስቴጅ ከዚህ በኋላ የምንጠቀመው that is counterstain. Now here is said that primary stain is crystal violet. If there is primary stain, that means there is secondary stain. Secondary stain ምንለው ነው። This stage is adding the safranin solution. The safranin is pink or red appearance. So safranin እንጨምራለን. Actually this counter staining is the last stage of crystal gram staining. Finally in this stage we will identify the gram positive and gram negative bacteria based on their colors. So በዚህ ሰዓት ካውንተር ስቴን ላይ ግራም ፖዚቲቭ ባክቴሪያዎች ምን ይሆናሉ? ግራም ፖዚቲቭ ባክቴሪያዎች they remain purple. And the gram negative they become pink. So gram negative bacteria are pink in gram staining, gram positive bacteria remain purple in gram staining. So pink እና purple የሚሆኑት በዚህ ምክንያት ነው። So don't forget these 4 stages of gram staining. So primary stain, iodine, decolorization, and counter staining are stages. So in the last stage, we identify the positive and negative bacteria. So the reason behind this color difference is the structure of the cellular. The cellular structure is basically important because the gram negative bacteria have a thin peptidoglycan. They loses the crystal violet easily, and the gram positive bacteria they have a thickest peptidoglycan and they retain the crystal violet. So let's identify the difference between gram positive and gram negative. አሁን የምናየው የግራም ፖዚቲቭ እና ግራም ኔጌቲቭ ባክቴሪያዎች መሰረታዊ ልዩነታቸው ምን እንደሆነ እናያለን። ግራም ኔጌቲቭ እና ፖዚቲቭ ባላቸው የሴሉላር ስትራክቸር አንዳቸው ጋር ያለ ስትራክቸር ሌላኛዎቹ ባክቴሪያዎች ጋር የለም። ሶ አንድ 7 የሚደርሱ ፊቸሮችን አስቀምጠን በምን እንደሚለያዩ እናያለን ማለት ነው። So the first feature is gram stain. The gram stain. In gram stain, the gram positive bacteria they have, as you said, purple appearance አላቸው። And gram-negative they have pink color አላቸው ማለት ነው. This is one of the difference. The other is their cell wall composition. Actually, the gram-positive bacteria have a thick cell wall. This thickness is because of their peptidoglycan. So gram-positive bacteria have thick peptidoglycan. Okay, so peptidoglycan ስንል ፔፕቲዶግላይካን ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? የባክቴሪያ ሴሎል የተሰራበት ነው። ፔፕቲዶግላይካን it is a polymer of glycan, or is made up of glycan chains. That is a polysaccharide. Okay, እንዳትረሱ. So cell wall thick ነው። የግራም ኔጌቲቭ ደግሞ ምንድን ነው? It is thin peptidoglycan አላቸው። thin peptidoglycan. This is a basic difference. ሌላኛው የምንለይበት the presence and absence of outer membrane. Okay, so gram-positive bacteria, they have no outer membrane. It is absent. Outer membrane የሚባል የላቸውም gram-positive bacteria. But the gram-negative bacteria have outer membrane is present in case of gram-negative bacteria. And the other difference is the presence and absence of the preplasmic space. The preplasmic space is space between the two peptidoglycan. So the preplasmic space in gram-positive, it is narrow, and in gram-positive, it is extensive. So gram-positivoች ብዙ ወደ ሁለት የሚደርሱ ስፔሶች አሏቸው ማለት ነው። አንደኛው ስፔስ በፔፕቲዶግላይካን እና በሴል ሜምብሬን መካከል ያለው ስፔስ ነው። ሁለተኛው አሁንም በፔፕቲዶግላይካን እና በአውተር ሜምብሬን መካከል፣ ምክንያቱም አውተር ሜምብሬን ስላላቸው ሁለት ፕሪፕላስሚክ ስፔስ አላቸው። ግራም ኔጌቲቭ ፖዚቲቮች አውተር ሜምብሬን ስለሌላቸው ፕሪፕላስሚክ ስፔሳቸው ናሮ ነው፣ ጠባብ ነው ማለት ምክንያቱም ሌላ ላየር የላቸውም፣ አውተር ሜምብሬን የላቸውም። And the other difference is the presence of teichoic acid. The teichoic acid. You know, the teichoic acid is very important. That is maintain the elasticity of the bacteria. It makes elasticity. That is also important to maintaining the negative charge of the cell wall of the bacteria. So teichoic acid ለማን ነው ያለው? Teichoic acid ያለው ለግራም ፖዚቲቭ ባክቴሪያ it is present here. And teichoic acid ለግራም ኔጌቲቭ ባክቴሪያዎች የለውም, is absent in gram negative bacteria. And the other is the Porin proteins. Protein. You know, the Porin protein is a structure that consists of the water holding structure. Porin protein, it allows the passive diffusion. And in addition, the Porin protein, it helps to exclude the harmful substance. So this is very important, making them resistant to the antibiotics, the Porin proteins. So the Porin protein in gram-positive, it is absent, and in gram-negative, it is present. So this is why gram-negative bacteria are very resistant for the antibiotics. And the other difference is resistance of antibiotics, resistant to antibiotics. So, you know, the gram-positive bacteria are less resistant. These are less resistant to antibiotics. They can easily killed by any antibiotics which can kill the bacteria. For example, we can kill or damage the bacteria, the gram-positives, by using penicillin. But the gram-positive bacteria are highly resistant to the antibiotics. Why they are high resistance? Because the presence of outer membrane, the presence of porin protein. This make a harder structure that cannot be killed by the antibiotics. So this is the basic difference between gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. So let's give some examples for this. gram-positive bacteria የሚባሉ ብዙ ናቸው። ከነዚህ ውስጥ ለምሳሌ staphylococcus species like staphylococcus aureus ምንላቸው የዚህ ምሳሌዎች ናቸው። and also bacillus anthrax, these are also one of the example. And for gram-negative, most of the pathogenic bacteria like the typhoid, Salmonella typhi is an example. You can take, which is the Escherichia coli that's found in the animals, including the human guts. So these are basic differences. በዚህ ሌሰናችን መሰረታዊ የሆነ የግራም ፖዚቲቭ እና ግራም ኔጌቲቭ ባክቴሪያዎችን ልዩነት በዚህ ይዛል። ሶ ባጭሩ ግራም ኔጌቲቭ ግራም ፖዚቲቭ የሚባሉት ስትራክቸራቸው ምን ይመስላል የሚለው እነዚህን ጉዳዮች በመዘርዘር በአንደኛው ያለው በሌላኛው የሌለው ነው። ሁለተኛው ግራም ስቴኒንግ ፕሮሰስ፣ ይሄ ግራም ኔጌቲቭ እና ፖዚቲቮችን ዲተርማይን ለማድረግ ነው። ይሄ በአካዳሚክ ትምህርት ብቻ ሳይሆን በሕክምናው ዘርፍ አንደኛው ፓቶጀኒክ ባክቴሪያዎችን የምንለይበት መንገድ ነው ማለት ነው። ሶ በቪዲዮአችን ላይ አስተያየት ኮሜንት ካላችሁ በዩቲዩብ በፌስቡክ ቴሌግራም ቻናላችን ላይ ሀሳቦቻችሁን ማጋራት ትችላላችሁ። ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አድርጉ። መልካም ጊዜ